Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Alhamdulillah. We teachers are also fine. Today we are going to give out the lesson for 26th to 28th July. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to start off with literature. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. Fine. Subject is literature. Then topic is what? Building. You all already had from A to S. So we are going to start off with T to Z. Okay. So I am going to utter the words. You have to listen to it properly so that you can pronounce it. That we are going to start off with T. T for tree. Do you know what is a tree? Let me show you a picture. This is a tree. Okay. Then U for unity. U for unity. How can I show you? How can I show you? Miss, can you help me? Yes. Look, this is called unity. Yes, this is called unity. We are friends. Okay, thank you, Miss. Okay, so you know what is a unity? Yeah, good. V for vase. Do you know what is a vase? I'm sure you all know because you have got it at home. Everyone has got it at home. This is suppose a vase. What do we keep in a vase? Flowers. What do we keep? Flowers. We keep flowers in a vase. Okay, good. Then W for water. W for water. Do you want to see water? Yeah. Look, what is this? This is water. This is water. W for water. Okay. Then X-ray. Yeah, you all know what is an X-ray? Yes, when we are sick, we go to the doctor and we have an X-ray. So this is X for X-ray. Then Y for yellow. Oh, lovely, yellow. We know all the colors, red, green, yellow. Yes, yellow, yellow, yellow. Yes, I have got a balloon. Who can tell me which color is this? This is yellow. Look at the balloon. It is yellow. This is pink, this is green, this is red, and this is yellow. This is yellow. Thank you. Okay, then Z for zip. Do you all know which is a zip? Let me show you. What is this? This is a jeep. What is this? This is a jeep. What do we call this? We call it zip. Okay, thank you. So let me repeat it again so that you can memorize it at home. T for tree, U for unity, V for vase, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yellow, and Z for zip. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's move on to math. Okay, today our topic is table of 2 and table of 3. Okay. 2 though you have maybe previously memorized or finished it, but 3 is new. Okay, but I want to have a revision for both of it. Okay, let me see if you all are ready or not. Let's start. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Done? Yes, this is how you have to pronounce it. Okay, now move on to table of 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Yes, you are right. 3 tens are 30. Got it? Very good. Okay. Okay, now Bangla. Topic is বর্ণ দিয়ে ছড়া। এই পেজটা তোমরা ওপেন করতে হবে তোমাদের বাংলা পড়া। ওপেন দিস বুক, পেজ 11। সবাই 11 নম্বর পেজটা ওপেন করবে, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, আমার সঙ্গে সবাই বলে ফেলো। অন্তর্জতে জব, জব থেকে আটা হয়। রতে রাখাল, রাখাল ছেলে বাজায় বাঁশি। লতে লাটিম, লাটিম খেলতে ভালোবাসি। তালবশতে শাপলা, শাপলা মদের জাতীয় ফুল। মূর্ধন্যষতে ষাঁড়, ষাঁড় চিনতে করো না ভুল। তোমরা কিন্তু এখন অনেক ষাঁড় দেখতে পাবে রাস্তায়, তাই না? বিকজ আমাদের সামনে কোরবানির ঈদ চলে আসছে। সো রাস্তায় এখন দেখবে গরুর হাটগুলোতে প্রচুর পরিমাণে তোমরা ষাঁড় দেখতে পাবে। কিন্তু খবরদার, কেউ কিন্তু গরুর বাজারে যাবে না, ঠিক আছে? ষাঁড় দেখার জন্য আবার গরুর বাজারে চলে যেও না, ঠিক আছে? Okay, now your favorite drawing class. Last week what did we do? We draw a hut. I hope you all got it in your copies. Today what did I say to you? You have to come back this week with a color pencil so that we can color the hut. Okay, you can use any kind of oil pastel color if you want to. Okay, this is called oil pastel colors, so you can use any branded oil pastel colors. Now let's move on to the coloring. We are going to start coloring now. Okay, you take a brown color in hand, deep brown color. Okay, this is deep brown color. Okay, you start coloring like this with a brown color. Okay, up to this brown color, deep brown. Okay, in here also you give a deep brown color. And then take a light brown color, that is this one. Okay, take a light brown color and give a shade color over here if you can. So the house top is done. Let's do the body. Again take the deep brown color. Okay, start coloring over here. Now take again the light brown color. Okay, this one again. Okay, this part you can give either deep brown or light brown. Okay, I am giving the light brown color. Okay, done. Okay, now you take this deep brown color and then do the base of the house. Okay. The door also you can use this one, or you can use any light color. Okay, it can be a light blue. Give a door. You can use any kind of color that you like. Okay, not necessary that you have to give the door blue or the house brown. You can use any color that you like. Give the windows also blue color. Okay, you can give the handle red color. Then the chimney, use a deep brown color and a light brown color. Done. Now let's move on to the tree. Use a deep brown again. And then the light brown again. Okay, then move on to this tree also, light brown and deep brown. Then let's move on to the leaves. Take a deep green color, color the bottom of the tree like this with a deep green color. both the tray, the bottom should be with deep green color. Okay, then a light green color. Just blend it together smoothly. Okay, you have to blend it smoothly. And here also again light green color. Blend it with the deep green color very smoothly. Okay, now take the yellow color. One tree done. The second one. Just use a yellow color for the top part of the tree. Okay, it's done. Now let's do the grasses. The grasses, you can use the deep one or the light one as you wish. Okay, I am using a deep green color for the grass. Okay, finished. Are you all done? Thank you. Listen, you all have a lot of leisure time now, isn't it? Lots of free times. So what are you doing? At that time, maybe what you should do is, you should complete this Arabic book and you should complete this Bengali book. Got it? Okay. About the Arabic book, what you will do is, you will complete from page 3 to 32. Okay, you have to complete the Arabic book from 3 to 32. Got it? And then Bengali book, you have to complete from page 19 to 38. Bengali book, you have to complete the book from page 19 to 38. Okay? Yes, thank you. Today's lesson is almost completed. Okay, but now I want to give you good news. That is, your Eid vacation is coming up. Okay, so vacation will be from 29 July to 8th August. Your Eid vacation will be from 29 July to 8th August. That means during this time, I will not give any lesson to you. Okay, fine. Enjoy yourself during that time. So that means from 9th August, we will give new lessons. So you have to follow the school page, our Green Scholars International School and College school page for new lessons again. Okay, thank you. At last but not least, I want to say Eid Mubarak to all of you. Okay, and I want to give you a gift. Okay, you want to take a gift? This is for you, all of you. Okay, those who have attended the classes, those who are studying very well at home, this is for you. Okay, thank you. Eid Mubarak to all of you. Allah Hafiz. But listen, hello, listen. Don't go yet. Are you missing your classroom? Yeah, I think so. Do you want to see your classroom? Let's go and see. Okay, let's go. Come with me. Okay, come with me. Look at your classrooms. Inshallah, very soon you will come back to your classes, isn't it? And we will have the live class again. Okay, let's go to the other nursery room. Let's go. Okay everyone, that's the end of our class today. Inshallah, hope to see you again. Hope you all will stay at home and stay safe. Okay, use the sanitizer, mask and wash your hand regularly. Eat very, very good food. Okay? Thank you all very much. Allah Hafiz. See you.